Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and are taking care of yourselves. My name is Kanika Tandon and I'm here with the video of Class 7th English First. In our last video we have completed till chapter number 13 and in today's video we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, the adverb. Starting our today's video with chapter number 14, the adverb. So adverbs are the words that are used to add something to the meaning of the verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, Sumit reads cleverly, she sang sweetly. So these are the words that tell us how a thing is done in the sentence. So these are the verbs that are adding the meaning to the verb, an adjective or another adverb, right? So adverbs are formed in different ways. First we'll study about adverb of manner. These are formed when we add ly in the adjective, like beautiful plus ly beautifully, wise plus ly wisely, happy plus ly happily, sad plus ly sadly. Next is by joining a noun and a qualifying adjective, like mean plus time, meantime, mid plus way, midway, some plus times, sometimes, yester plus day is yesterday. Another one is by joining an adverb and a preposition together, like there plus by, thereby, hence plus forth, henceforth, here plus by here plus with, herewith. Next, by joining a preposition and an adjective, like a plus board, aboard, a plus long, along, a plus loud, allowed, b plus hint, behind. The word a is the weakened form of the preposition on and b is the old form of preposition by. Last is compound adjective. Adverbs can be made by joining two adverbs with a conjunction, like again plus again, again and again, now and then, now and then. So here now and then are the adverbs and conjunction is and, which is used as conjunction only to add two adverbs together. Now we are going to study the kinds of adjectives. So there are three kinds of adjectives: simple adjective, interrogative adjective and relative adjective, and then they are subclassified into different forms. So first we are going to study what is a simple adverb. So simple adverbs can be divided in the following kinds of adverb. These are the adverbs which tell us adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree or quantity, and adverb of frequency. We are going to study about them one by one. So first simple adverb is adverb of time. In adverb of time, the adverbs tell us when the thing has happened, like the day she arrived, that day she arrived late. When did she arrive? Late. Another one is I hurt my ankle yesterday. When did you hurt your ankle? Yesterday. They come here daily. When do they when do they come here? Daily. We shall now begin our work. When shall we begin our work? Now. Similarly, next is adverb of place, which shows where something has happened. Come here, my brother is out. She looked up, the horse galloped away. So here, up, out, away, these are the adverbs which tell us the place. Next is adverb of manner, which tells us how a thing has happened, in what manner, is it good, bad or anything. So he works hard, they should not do so, this story is well written, the boy slept soundly. So hard, well, so, soundly, these are the words, these are the adverbs which tells us that how a thing is done. Next is adverb of degree or quantity. So these are the adverbs which shows us how much or in what degree or in what extent, like how much. This does not show us the quantity, like exact quantity we cannot get from here. We just tell how much something has happened. These bananas are almost ripe. She was too careless. They are fully prepared. You are quite wrong. He is partly right. I am rather busy. Next is adverb of frequency, which shows us how many times thing has happened, like how often it has happened. She always tries to do her best. I have told you twice. She often commits mistakes. I have not seen her once. He frequently comes unprepared. He never drinks coffee in the evening. Now second one is interrogative adverb. So with the word it is very easy for us to understand, like this is for the words which ask direct questions. Like adverb which are used for asking questions are called interrogative adverb. So where is Vivek? Here where is interrogative adverb of place. When did they go? Interrogative adverb of time. How did you solve this sum? Interrogative adverb of manner. Why are they late? Interrogative adverb of reason. Next is relative adverb. These are show me the house where he lived. Here the adverb where modifies the verb lived. Further, the adverb where, like a relative pronoun, here relates or refer back to its antecedent house. Therefore, it is called a relative adverb. So, relative adverb are those which, like a relative pronoun, refers back to its antecedent. Like show me the house where he lived. So here where is the adverb which modified lived, but it is antecedent to the noun house. Other examples, I remember the place where I was born. So here where is the relative adverb, and born is the relative it is the verb, and place is the antecedent of the relative adverb where. Same is this is the reason why I left. Why is the relative adverb, left is the verb, and reason is the antecedent to the verb, to the relative adverb. Now position of the adverb. First is adverb of manner, which answer the question how, are generally placed after the verb or after the object. Like she speaks English well. He does his work carefully. Adverb or adverb of phrase of places, that is here, there, everywhere, and of time, yet, then, today, next Sunday, are also usually placed after the verb or the object if the one. So they will come here. We met him yesterday. When there are two or more adverbs after a verb and its object, the normal order of the occurrence will be adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Like he spoke, first manner will come, then the adverb of place will come, and then the time will come. Next is adverb of frequency, which answers the question how often, are certainly and certain other adverbs of degree like almost, just, already, hardly, nearly, quite are normally put between the subject and the verb if the verb consists of one word. If there is more than one word in the verb, they are put after the first word. He has never seen an elephant. We usually have breakfast at 7. My cousin has just gone out. If the verb is rm, was, these adverbs are placed after the verb. Like I am never late for office. He is always at home on holidays. When an adverb modifies an adjective or another adverb, the adverb usually comes before it, as this house is quite small. He plays quite well. Yet comes at the end of the sentence after main verb and object, as the rain has not stopped yet. But the adverb enough is always placed after the word, which is modifies as she spoke loud enough to be heard. As a general rule, the word only should be placed immediately before the word it modifies. As I solved only 2 sums, only I solved 2 sums. Now next is the comparison of adjectives. So most adverb make their comparative and superlative degree forms by having most or more. Like we have already studied in the comparison of adjectives. Here the comparative and superlative. So for adverbs also comparative and superlative degrees are made. Like certainly becomes more certainly, most certainly, cleverly, more cleverly, most cleverly, truly, more truly, most truly. Similarly, there are other examples also. Next is some are made by same as the adjectives, like little, less or least, well, better or best, much, more or most, badly or worse, and other examples. And some are formed by adding er to the adverb, like fast, faster, fastest, hard, harder, hardest, long, longer, longest. Coming on to the exercise part on page number 88. First is choose the correct option. Adverb of frequency shows how often. An adverb used to relate two clauses or statement together is called relative adverb. Actually, it is called it is used when we are using conjunction as an adverb. Alright, next is pick out the adverb and state their kind. So a lazy man is never happy. So never is the adverb, and adverb of frequency it is. She has returned from Mumbai lately. Lately, adverb of time. She often comes late. Often, adverb of frequency. She sings beautifully. Beautifully, adverb of manner. He seldom goes there. Seldom, adverb of frequency. The girl works hard. Hard, adverb of manner. He looked up. Up, adverb of place. This is the house where I live. Where, relative adverb. How did he pay for it? How, interrogative adverb. It is good enough. Enough, adverb of degree. Next is fill in the blanks with a suitable form of adverbs. She works hard. I have not seen her lately. The station is quite near. He found me running fast. This house is not big enough for us. It is too hot to go outside. He is very glad to meet her. He came here 2 hours ago. He has not returned yet. Not a drop of milk was in the pot. Next is correct the following sentences. So now we have to write the corrected sentences. It is very hot to play outside. So it is too hot to play cricket. The dog ran enough fast to win the race. The dog ran fast enough to win the race. He is present a teacher. He is presently a teacher. He does cheerfully his duties. He does his duties cheerfully. The rain suddenly began to fall. The rain began to fall suddenly. He comes here often. He often comes here. He directly went to the restaurant. He went to the restaurant directly. They play tennis good. They play good tennis. He is so poor to pay the dues. He is too poor to pay the dues. That news was very much interesting. The news was very interesting. Next is the learner's drill, in which we have to find the adverb of quantity given below in the crossword puzzle. So here at the last, the adverbs of quantity given we have to find in the crossword puzzle, and this will be your homework. And you have to do it yourself. With this, our video is actually over, and I'll see you all in my next video with the next chapter. That will be chapter number 15. Till then, keep studying and do complete your work. Take care.